Hello and welcome to TND Learning, your destination for professional training in SAP ST. In this video, we are going to cover delivery type part 2. Part 1 already we have covered, in which we have covered some fields in the delivery type control, like we have studied what is document category, what is number range internal assignment, what is number range external assignment, and item number increment. Now in this part 2 we are starting from here, this section. This is order reference, right? So actually order reference segment itself is telling that this control in this group is having the controls which is directly affecting to the order, right? So order and actually delivery order, you can see. First field is the order required. It means कि once you are creating the delivery, what is required before creating the delivery. So if you will see, currently it is selected as X. What does mean by X? What does mean by X? X means, see, I have taken the screenshot here by clicking on this button, right? Arrow button is there. So available option is blank, right? X or B. Blank is telling no preceding documents required. It means if you are selecting the blank, then while you are creating the delivery document, right, it will not check that before the delivery whether order is there or any other documents are there or not. But if you are selecting X, it is sales order required. It means while you will go to create the delivery, system will check that before delivery whether any order is there or not, right? It means delivery only can be created with reference to order. Without order, delivery cannot be created. Third option is option B. B is telling what? B is saying that PO required, right? PO required means कि PO full form is the purchase order. It means system will check, I am going to create the delivery, so is there reference has been taken of the purchase order or not. It means delivery can only be created with reference to purchase order. Which delivery? The delivery type where we are working. Currently we are working on which delivery type? This is LF. So LF delivery type only can be created if sales order is there. In this case, if we are selecting B here, then it will be the purchase order. If we are keeping it as blank, then it means कि delivery can be created without taking reference of any order, right? Now if we are going to another option, which is default order type, this control, actually when it is used, normally if you will see here, let me take one example of STO process. STO process starts with from purchase order, right? Then from purchase order delivery gets created, then after delivery invoices gets created. If you are knowing the STO process, then well and good. If you are not knowing, we have already covered this in one video, okay? There you can check what is the process. In simple, I am telling there are mainly 3 steps, and after this invoice actually GRN one more steps is there, but that is a part of material management, not of SD. But being a consultant, SD consultant, you should be knowing this step also. Okay, we'll discuss that later. Here I am taking the reference of this process to detail usage of default order type. Okay, so you can see delivery has been created, okay, with reference to PO. So where is order? Order is not there, right? but there are some configurations, right, where delivery controls are there at the order level. Okay, delivery controls are at the order level, but in this process order itself is not there. Then how we are going to control those controls of delivery which is associated with order? So to facilitate this, SAP says let us put one default order type. Okay, DL. So DL is one order type, a document type actually, which is assigned to delivery as a default order type. In case the delivery is not having any default any order, then default order type will be taken. What default order type you have assigned here? For example, for LF delivery you have assigned the DL, right? So this is usage of the default order type. And if you will see, the third option here is item requirement. This item requirement actually is a routine. This is the routine code. Okay, SAP standard gives two routine codes. Okay, one is 201, another is 202. Okay, let us see. If you will click in this field, one small F4 facility will come here, and if you will click on here, then this possible entries will open. Okay, there are multiple options. Most importantly 201 and 202 is there. So 201 what it is, 202 what it is, right? So let me explain it. 201 tells that no order with independent item. No order means, here no order means no delivery. It means delivery cannot be created with independent items. मतलब with independent item means without material in order, delivery cannot be created. What does it mean? It means ki, see, in O2C though there is flow, like order is there, right? After order delivery gets created. So let us take it on one example. Order 1 is having material 1 and material 2 in the order, right? But material 3 is one code which is not in order. Now once you will create the delivery document with reference to order, then M1 and M2 material will automatically come. But if you want to add material 3, okay, this is one example. And another case, like material 1 is having 10 quantity, material 2 is having 10 quantity, right? Material 3 is not there, and now material 1 in delivery you are taking 10, and material 2 for example you are increasing beyond 10. Okay, for example 20, means if you will compare the order quantity and material quantity, this is increasing. It means ki while you are creating delivery with reference to order, if you want to add any material, if you want to add any quantity, system will not allow. System can throw error that this material or this quantity is not in order, okay. By this error message will come and delivery will not allow additional material or additional quantity. That is usage of the 201 routine. Okay, now then what is the usage of 202? It is order with independent item. So it's exactly opposite of 201. 201 is exactly opposite of 202. So 202 vice versa you can say, right? So 202 say कि if order is having material 1, material 2, quantity 10, then delivery material 1 with 10 quantity, material 2 with 20 quantity, material 3 with any quantity will allow to create the delivery. This is the difference between 201 and 202. So this item requirement routine tells how delivery will behave, how delivery item will behave in comparison to order. So this is routine, so you can write your own custom routine as per requirement of business, and you can then once you will define, then it will come here and you can assign that also. For example, I'm creating 999, okay, where I'm saying key material in delivery can be added plus 10 maximum. So in this delivery I will assign 999, then it will work like this. So that is the custom development. We will discuss that also, custom development, later on. Okay, so till now we have studied in the order controls, order required, default order type, and item requirement, right? So let us come to another field, actually another segment itself. If you will see entire delivery type screen here, then we have discussed number system, we have discussed order reference. Now we are coming to the document flow. In document flow, important field is storage location rule, okay, output determination rule, right, and text determination rule, and as well as important are screen sequence group, display range, partner determination procedure. So in transaction flow there is two fields which is important to know. In document control, as SD consultant, you should know storage location rule determination, assignment to delivery, text determination procedure assignment to delivery, output determination procedure assignment to delivery, and partner determination procedure. So let us discuss with document control, document content here. So in document content, first of all are storage location rule. Storage location rule. So actually what is storage location? I hope you are knowing. See, there is plant, right? In delivery document, this is, for example, this is the delivery document. So delivery has document is divided into two parts, right? One is header part, one is item part. Okay, actually each document has its parts. Like you must have seen in the Word document, there is header here, right, and then here you can write anything, but this is the header, this section is header, below there is the footer, right? This is the format of MS Word. Okay, in the same way this delivery type also has its structure. One part is called header part, another part is the item part. In the header part we keep all those information which is applicable throughout document, but at item level we keep only those information which is applicable for a specific material. Like if there is two material, let us take example, there is delivery document, okay, this is the delivery document. Now this delivery document has material 1 and material 2. So material 1 can have different price, for example 10 rupees, material 2 can have different price, for example 20 rupees. But in outbound delivery there is option of customer, okay, actually it comes as shipped to party, sold to party, but I am taking in simple that this is the customer. So this is giving the, this delivery is order for customer, for example Ram, okay, Ram. Then this delivery itself is created for the customer Ram. So whether it is material 1 or it is material 2, this is for customer Ram only. It means the customer is not getting changed depending upon the item, depending upon the material. So this is the information of header segment then, and this is the item. So I was saying we were talking about the storage location rule. Why I said header and item things, right? So this storage location tells that this material will be sold or delivered from which storage location. Okay, so I hope you are knowing what is the storage location. Let us take a go through here, that what is the, see, this is the material one. Okay, this material of course is being delivered from one plant. Plant is what? Plant is one place which is property of company, where properties of company are being kept. But this is the big plant where, for example, tons of material can be kept. Okay, and different kinds of material can be kept here. So for example, company is producing some normal products which is not going to be affected with temperature, and another type of material company is producing which is affected by temperature. Okay, so definitely let us take example ice cream. So this, and take the example of, for example, candies. Material 1 is the candies, material 2 is ice cream. So candies can be kept at any place, right, in normal temperature, natural temperature you can say. But ice cream has to be kept in deep freezer, right, deep freezer. So it means ki in the plant there are some area which is assigned for keeping the ice cream, and other part is assigned for keeping normal material. So in the plant, those area which has been assigned for specific materials called storage location. What it is called? Storage location. Okay, storage location. So this is for that only. If any material, for example, material 1 in delivery is being delivered to the customer, is decided to deliver to the customer, then it will be sent by which storage location 1. For example, in plant there is 2 storage location, so from storage location 1 or storage location 2. So there is standard SAP standard solution technique to determine कि in the plant 1 storage location 1 will be determined for material 1 or storage location 2. This technique we will cover in another video, but here you basically you understood कि what is the plant, what is the storage location for the material. Material is kept in storage location, one part of plant, right? So there is, in same plant there is different material storage locations. So which storage location is to be determined in this delivery, right, for a specific material, for a specific customer, those are having some certain rules. Accordingly that can be assigned. Okay, so that storage location rule are of 3 kinds in SAP. One rule name is the Mala, second is RETA, right, and third is by combining both MARE, Mare you can say. So being fresher, or this Mala storage location determination rule is enough to know. If you are knowing this, then well and good, this will help, that we'll discuss later. But that rule is there, right, to determine the storage location. But what is the, why we are discussing this storage location determination and all things here, that which rules will be applicable for this delivery, that is assigned here. Means this field is telling that there are many rules of storage location determination, but for this delivery which rule is assigned. Okay, now there are other rules like output determination procedure, text determination procedure. These we will cover in another video, which will be the delivery type control part 3. Okay, So thank you for watching this video. I hope it is helpful for you. So I request, please like if you have understood, if it is helpful to you. This can motivate me to make more such videos, and it can help to grow my channel also. So I request, please share this video also to the needful who wants to make career in SAP ST. Okay, so see you in next video. Thank you very much.